could have made this the craziest supplement ever. We could have made it to where you take one capsule and you just start floating to Mars in a state of absolute lucid focus. But we didn't, because everything in here is very cohesive to your biology as a human being. It's all in food. So everything on here is in food. I have a video, I'll release it later, where I took 20 capsules in a row. And yeah, I'm fucking, but I'm tweaking in a good way. Versus I could have put a bunch of neurotransmitters in here and had you fucking floating on the moon. And we might do that later, right? But obviously we have to start with the staple. Sabre Ascension is the staple. But the whole point is you can't get all these from a natural diet anymore. At one point you could. Everybody talks about your ancestors used to eat this. Primal lifestyle is gone. The soil cannot withstand that nutrient density that it used to in the past. The animals that people used to eat in the past, megafauna, they used to even eat it raw. Certain nutrient profiles are different. They used to hunt everything they eat. That's all gone. That's the whole point of a supplement. It's not carrying you, it's supplementing you, right? So that's why I swear by it, not by anybody else, literally by what we're doing. We're doing it for the motherfuckers that want to win. That's who we're making supplements for. We're not making supplements for the dude that wants to measure his bicep insertion circumference so that he can sit in front of a mirror and do his gay bodybuilding routine. That's not who we're doing. And we're not doing it for the Optimizer Bros. The Optimizer Bros are going to win no matter what. They're going to get the fucking injectable L7L-carnitine and put it in the vein running through their left quadricep and be fine. They're going to educate themselves. They're going to watch the 17-hour Huberman Cuckery podcast. We're not, and nobody that follows us is. We're busy doing shit that's cool. So obviously I'm not going to sit here and fuck hyper neutral analyze. Now, we have a pharmaceutical guy, DK, and DK's associates are pharmacists, doctors, etc., and they do the obsessing over the biology so that we don't have to and you don't have to. That's the whole point of doing something supplementary. It's not supplementary if it's your entire lifestyle. That's why I don't trust any of our competitors. That's why I don't trust More Plates, More Dates. That's why I don't trust fucking Joe Rogan. Joe Rogan is on TRT. More Plates, More Dates is a fucking bodybuilder, which is gay, and I will explain that later. And their whole fucking life is optimizing. So you're taking advice from somebody that only optimizes. Bro, you work a call center job.
There's nothing optimal about that.
And what is your goal? What is your goal? Your goal is to now not live a call center job. Your goal is to do what the fuck I'm doing, frankly. So why not take advice from somebody that's already living that life? Sounds simple, right?
Let me just distill down the point about Sabre that you're making, all right? Sabre is for someone who wants all the advantages of a biohacking protocol without having to be a fucking nerd. That's what it's for.
Simple. And I wish I could have said that in 2 sentences like Reece.